Hi friends, today I am going to teach you how to approve your Upwork profile just in 3 minutes. Please follow the process and do not skip the video. First of all, go go to upwork.com, click on sign up and then put your email in the email section. Upwork will give you a notice that you are signing up with a Gmail account. You just need to click on continue and put your name and password in the given sections and select work as freelancer. Check the below boxes and press create my account. It's so easy to approve Upwork profile. You just need to keep in mind that you have to select those skills that you never hear already. Upwork will send you a link to verify your email address. You just need to click on that link and your email will be verified. In this next section, you have to select categories carefully. First select mobile and web development as your main service. Then select mobile development or web development and any other development. In the skills section, select the skill that you never hear about. Then click next and select the expert level. Okay, now select next and select expert level. Then add your education, your school name here. Put whatever data you want to put. Then click next. Then add your employment or skip it. What is your English proficiency? Select it to fluent. If you want to add any other language, you can add here. Just click next. Add your hourly rate. Put it here $9.99 and then select your title. Write here whatever you want to write. Then add your overview. You can add it yourself, write it yourself, or you can copy and paste from Google. Then click next. Then add your profile picture. Just to be sure, your profile picture must be clear. Then click Next. Add your address here. Your street address, your city, and zip code for that city. If you are not sure about the zip code, you can search Google. Put your phone number here and click Preview My Profile. Now you are ready to go. Just click on the Submit Profile button and your profile will be approved. Congratulations, your profile is approved. If you want more tricks, then like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Stay connected.